Riley, Southeastern Republic. The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clay County, Dickinson County, and central Kansas, eastern Ottawa County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 5 miles northwest of Edina to Salina and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: minor tree damage, with limbs up to 1 inch in diameter broken. Locations impacted include Abilene, Oak Hill, Niles, Longford, Manchester, Solomon, Talmadge, Wakefield, Carlton, Enterprise, Chapman, and Hope. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 267 and 287. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory for northwestern